Homes, whether new or old, often have cracks or openings around windows and doors. These gaps are a major cause of heat loss and add to your home's overall energy heating costs. If you can feel cold drafts around your windows, you are losing heat there. Even if you don't feel a draft, you could still be losing air. Winterizing your home windows is a great way to keep your home warm and save on energy costs this winter. A triple-pane glass unit is a window pane, also sometimes referred to as glazing. It is quite literally the sheet of glass separating the inside of your home from the outside. Triple-pane windows come with 3 panes respectively. They are also known as insulated glass units that have air pockets between their panes that diffuse heat transfer and reduce window conductivity, resulting in a better insulated home. They are perfect for Canadian winters. Our Solar Solutions glass options provide the perfect options for winterization. At the same time, they exceed the Energy Star requirements in Canada. This one-of-a-kind system certifies the gas content in each and every unit by applying gas right at the time of sealing the unit. The non-conductive super spacer helps to keep the cold or hot from transferring to the interior and reduces condensation buildup in the winter. Window City windows come standard with Super Spacer, the world's only 100% polymer foam, no metal warm edge spacing system. Thermal efficiency through no presence of conductive metals is Super Spacer's hallmark. The edge of the insulating glass unit is indeed the most vulnerable to heating and cooling loss, condensation, and frosting. Super Spacer's no metal formula blocks the heat escape path and provides one of the best thermal performances in the industry. Super Spacer assures comfortable winter humidity levels with hardly any worries about condensation and mold. Window City double-pane windows can be filled with argon gas to help insulate a room and minimize the transfer of heat through the window. Argon gas is a colorless, odorless gas that is more dense than air. Adding it to the captive air in double-pane windows improves thermal insulation efficiency. Installing argon gas-filled windows can help improve your energy efficiency and lower your home energy costs. Krypton gas is an inert, slow-moving gas that improves thermal performance. More dense than argon, krypton gas does an excellent job of preventing heat loss. For maximum efficiency, krypton is usually used in triple-pane windows. Why choose one? Window City introduces an optimal combination of argon-krypton mix to increase the energy efficiency of your windows. This combined duo also significantly reduces outside sound, adding to the privacy of your home. Window City vinyl window frames are made from our patented raw material mix, which allows for a stronger, longer-lasting, and more energy-efficient vinyl window. It is less likely to warp due to extreme cold weather. Precision automated welded frames and sashes and foam-filled frames add to their durability and strength. High-quality constructed vinyl frames are very adaptable to weather changes. Vinyl windows don't absorb water and won't expand and contract as much as other materials. They are almost weather-resistant window frames and can be relied on to provide fantastic thermal performance. Due to superior insulating values, because they are non-conductive, temperature transference is very minimal. Regardless of the temperature outside, vinyl windows are helpful to reduce the risk of draft air coming into your home. During the winter, these drafts could bring in the cold air that cause temperature fluctuations. With vinyl, your home will stay warm in the winter months. If your caulking needs replacing, you can dig out the old using a putty knife or screwdriver. Make sure you clean and dry the area before replacing your caulking. Caulking should be used for joints that remain stationary. Using a polyurethane caulk is the best because it can be painted over, does not shrink, sticks better, and does not attract dust or dirt. A little caulking can go a long way in saving you money on your energy bill. Weather stripping is used on windows with movable parts. There's a variety of weather stripping options that you can use. Whatever type of weather stripping you decide to use will help keep windy drafts from entering your home. Felt, usually the least expensive and goes on fairly easily, but it can't withstand moisture. Vinyl, reasonably priced, but a little harder to install. Metal, works best in older and historic homes. Magnetic strips, can be expensive, but they are the most effective. The best place to start designing your Window City vinyl windows is by visiting our website to scroll through our customization options. Contact us today to get started.